Hello everyone, thank you for your response to your maths channel Klick Maths. I hope you are enjoying these lectures and today we will discuss about simple equation. First of all, let us recall what you learnt about equation in your previous classes. An equation is a condition on a variable. For example, 4x plus 5 is equal to 10. This is first equation. 3y minus 20 is equal to 5. This is second equation. In the first equation, x is variable. In the second equation, y is variable. What is a variable? A variable means something vary, that is change. Variable takes on different numerical values and is not fixed. We generally use variable by letters of alphabet like X, Y, Z, A, B, C, L, M, N, etc. We formed expression by performing operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on a variable. In the first equation, first we multiplied 4 with x and add 5 in this expression. In the second expression, first we multiplied 3 with y and subtract 20 from this product. And we use the sign equality, then this expression becomes equation. That means in this expression, x, y are the variables and 4, 3, 5, 20 are constant. Constants are fixed. And when we use equality sign, this expression becomes equation. Now, this is first equation and this is second equation. This is the simple equations. In this lecture, we will discuss how we can construct equation from statement and statement from equation. First of all, we construct equation from statement. That the statement. First, 1/4 of a number minus 4 gives 4. 1/4 of a number. Let's take one number, that is x. Let number is equal to x. That means 1/4 of a number. 1/4 means 1/4 of x minus 4 is equal to 4. When we write this in a simple form, this is equal to x by 4 minus 4 is equal to 4. This is an equation by this statement. Second is 7 times m plus 7 gets 77. 7 times m means we multiplied 7 with m plus 7 gets 77, that is equal to 77. We write this statement in this equation, that is 7m plus 7 is equal to 77. Here we use equality sign, that means this expression becomes equation. Third one is the difference between y and 2 is 8. The difference between, that means y minus 2 is 8. Is 8 means equal to 8. This is an equation by this statement. In this equation from statement, x, m, y, x, y, m are variable and 4, 77, 7, 2, 8, etc. are constant. That means variables and constant. Constant values are fixed and variable can vary. Second example is statement from equation. How we can construct equation from statement from this equation. 4b minus 2 is equal to 18. This is an equation and we write this equation in the statement form. 4p minus 2. That means 4 times p minus 2 is 18. Second is z plus 2 is equal to 8. The sum of z and 2 is 8. The sum of z and 2 is 8. This is statement from this equation. Third one is 2m is equal to 7. That means 2 times m is 7. In this way, we can write equation in the statement form. In this question, p, z, m are variable and 4, 2, 18, 8, 7, etc. are constant. Now I will give some exercise for your practice. Write the difference between variable and constant and write this statement equation in the statement form. Write this equation in the statement form. Put your answer in comment box. In the next lecture, we will discuss how we can solve these simple equations by different methods. Please like this video, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.